This is a Photoshop tutorial of how to create or capture motion using the smudge tool. First, you take your photo and let's open it up in Photoshop here. Next, name your layer. In this case, I'm going to call this layer Walker. Alright, next you need to make a selection, and to do this we're going to use the lasso tool. And you just go around your image that you wish to show or capture the motion. And in this case, it's the walker and the dog. So I just go around the image loosely. There you go. All right. So next, so you don't mess up your original photo, we're going to make a duplicate layer in our layers palette. And to do this, we do a Command J. All right, and to transfer the selection to our new layer that we just made, we hold down the Command key and click on our new layer. And voila, there's our selection that we had made. So from this selection, we're going to create a brush from it. So go under your Edit menu, and this is where you'll find Defined Brush Preset. Click on that, and we'll name our new brush, how about Walker? Well, I didn't quite spell that right. Here, let me try it again. There. Okay, now that our brush has been created, you will no longer need to keep your selection, so we'll Apple D, that deselects your image. Now we'll bring up the smudge tool, or type in R for the smudge tool, and going under the brush menu here, we're going to select our new brush that we just created, and you'll want to set the mode to normal and a strength of 60%. Okay, so you can see on our screen the new brush that we made here. Now you'll need to go to the brush options and make a few changes on that. So that's located under Window, Brushes. You can see it's already up here on our screen. And main thing here is under the brush presets, you want to make sure that none of the options have been picked. And the only thing you'll need to do is go under brush tip shape and uncheck the box that says spacing. All right, we're ready to go here, ready to make some motion. So we go to our photo here and we bring our new brush onto it. We click and drag from that object, and as you can see, it's showing the motion of our object here. This might take you a couple times to practice, and I think this is going to work out good for us here, so I'm going to keep it. But you'll want to clean up your image. Obviously, you cannot see any detail in the face or anything. So go to your new layer and create a mask filled with white. Next, you'll want to take your brush tool and paint with black this face here of the jogger, the walker. Clean that up so she stands out a little more from the motion. What will also help is make sure the hardness of the brush is like 0. Very nice soft brush is what you'll want to use to clean this image up. So just go on here. Clean it up. Just like that. show that back foot a little bit. There we go. Clean up this dog's face a little bit so you can see that a little better. There you have it. It's kind of a neat little way to, little special effect to show motion in a photo.